Hello everyone, good morning and namaste. It's me Arjun Pokhrel, science teacher of Sagarmatha Secondary School. Dear students, welcome to you all in my online class. Today I am here with another video, another session of the online class of class 8 science, and today is the 23rd of the Shravan. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, you all are healthy, and you all are watching my class regularly. Today I am going to discuss about the wildlife reserves of Nepal. In the previous class, we already discussed about 10 national park. Okay, altogether 10 national park of the Nepal, and there are three wildlife reserves in Nepal. Okay, they are Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve, Kositapu Wildlife Reserve, and Parsa Wildlife Reserve. These all three wildlife reserves are located in the Tarai region of Nepal. Okay, these all three wildlife reserves are located in the Tarai region of Nepal. So, a separate reserve area for the protection and management of wildlife and their habitat, okay, is called wildlife reserve. Especially, okay, separated for the protection and management of wildlife, not for the overall flora and fauna, especially separated for the particular, okay, species of the wildlife. Okay, a separate reserve area for the protection and management of wildlife, okay, and for the protection of special type of animals, okay, in their own habitat, is known as wildlife reserve. So the wildlife reserve is established for the conservation of natural environment, protection and management of fauna and flora, endangered animals, conservation of habitats, and for scientific study and research. Especially wildlife reserve is selected, wildlife reserve is separated. Okay, wildlife reserve, in wildlife reserve, different species of flora and fauna are conserved, but uh, some particular species of the uh, flora and fauna are conserved especially. Okay, so in wildlife reserve, study and research can be carried out with the permission of concerned authorities. Okay, in wildlife reserve, study and research can be carried out, okay, only by taking permission. Without taking permission, no one is allowed to enter inside the wildlife. Okay, without taking permission, no one is allowed to enter inside the wildlife. Okay, so no one can enter the reserve for entertainment. Okay, in national park, people can enter for the entertainment. Okay, tourists can enter inside the national park, but wildlife reserve, no one is allowed to enter inside it for the entertainment. That is the difference. People can enter inside the wildlife only for the research and study, but people cannot enter inside the wildlife, okay, for entertainment. But people can enter inside the national park, okay, visitors, tourists can enter inside the wildlife, sorry, inside the national park for entertainment. नेसनल पार्क भित्र टुरिस्टहरूले सर्टेन इन्ट्री फी तिरिसकेपछि सजिलैसँग इन्ट्री गर्न पाउँछ र त्यहाँ इन्टरटेनमेन्ट गर्न पाउँछ, ओके, हेर्न पाउँछ, घुम्न पाउँछ। तर वाइल्डलाइफ रिजर्भ स्टडी गर्नु छ अथवा रिसर्च गर्नु छ भने त्यहाँ इन्ट्री हुन नभए पाएन। ओके, and to date there are three wildlife reserves in Nepal, and they are Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve, Kositapu Wildlife Reserve, and Parsa Wildlife Reserve. Okay, here you can see Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve. Okay, in the western part of the Nepal, okay, far western region of the Nepal, and Parsa Wildlife Reserve nearby Chittor National Park, and here you can see Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. Okay, this is Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, location of the Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, and this is the location of Parsa Wildlife Reserve, and this is the location of Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve. Okay, Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve, Parsa Wildlife Reserve, and Kosi Tapu. Altogether, there are 3 wildlife reserves in Nepal. Okay, and first of all, I am going to discuss about Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve. Okay, it is situated here in the far western region of Nepal. Okay, सबैभन्दा वेस्टर्न रिजनको पनि फार वेस्टर्न रिजनमा यो लोकेटेड भएको छ, and established at 2032 BS. Okay, and its area 305 square kilometer. Okay, and this reserve is located in the Kanchanpur district. Okay, Kanchanpur district, and this wildlife reserve is mainly established for the conservation of swamp deer. वाइल्डलाइफ रिजर्भमा अरू सबै किसिमको फ्लोरा फाउनाहरू पनि कन्जर्भेसन त हुन्छ, तर यो पार्टिकुलर स्पेसिसको जुन एनिमल्स छ त्यसलाई अझ स्पेसली केयर गर्नको लागि वाइल्डलाइफ रिजर्भहरू इस्टाब्लिस्ड गरिएको छ. ओके, दे आर इस्टाब्लिस्ड स्पेसली फर द प्रोटेक्सन म्यानेजमेन्ट अफ द स्पेसली फर द पार्टिकुलर स्पेसिस एन्ड अल्सो फर द ओभरअल conservation of wild animals. Okay, wild animals and plants. This wildlife reserve established mainly for the conservation of swamp deer, बाह्रसिङ्गे, जसलाई हामी बाह्रसिङ्गे भन्छौँ. ओके, मेनली स्वाम्प डियरकै कन्जर्भेसनको लागि चाहिँ यो वाइल्डलाइफ रिजर्भ इस्टाब्लिस्ड भएको छ. त्यो बाहेक अरू पनि एनिमल्सहरू प्लान्ट्सहरू त्यहाँ प्रोटेक्सन त गरिएको छ, बट मेनली इस्टाब्लिस्ड फर द कन्जर्भेसन अफ स्वाम्प डियर. And some of the important flora, okay, plants of this wildlife reserve are sal, sisau, okay, and forest of the khair and grassland are also present here. Bengal tiger, wild boar, bear, leopard, gaur, antelope, also known as barasinge, stag, spotted deer, okay, etc. are found in this area. Okay, people cannot enter inside the Sukla Phata National Park for their Sukla Phata Wildlife Reserve for entertainment. Okay, people can enter only for the research and for the study. Okay, research ko lagi अथवा study को लागि people त्यहाँ जान पाउँछ, and they are not allowed to enter inside the wildlife reserve for entertainment. Dear students, here you can see this is Barasinge. Okay, also known as swamp deer, and this wildlife reserve is mainly established for the conservation of this swamp deer. Okay. Antelope barasinge, which is the birds of extinction from the world, it is conserved here. यो के छ भन्दा संसारबाट हराउन लागिरहेको छ, एक्सटिंक्सन हुन लागिरहेको छ. ठीक छ, त्यही भएर यसलाई के गरेको छ, स्पेशली कन्जर्भेसन गरेको छ. Antelope barasinge, which is the birds of extinction, okay, to disappear from the world, is conserved here. Okay, and many magar crocodiles are found in Rani Lake and other small lakes located in this reserve. Okay, and local and migrated birds of different species are also found in this reserve. Okay, local and migrated birds of different species are also found in this reserve. Okay, this is located in the far western region of Nepal in the which district? Kanchanpur district. Okay, Kanchanpur district, and this wildlife reserve is mainly established for the conservation of swamp deer. Okay, especially swamp deer को conservation को लागि यो establish गरिएको छ, which is very danger. Okay, which is birds of extinction from the world. That's why this species, okay, need to be conserved. That's why this wildlife reserve is mainly established for the conservation of 12 or antelope. ओके 12 अथवा यसको सिङ हेर्नुहोस् ओके अलिकति धेरै लङ किसिमको सिङ छ जसको ब्रान्च पनि भएको छ जसलाई हामी त्यही भएर यस एनिमलको नाम के भन्छ 12 ओके dear students, now I am going to discuss another wildlife reserve of Nepal, that is Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. Okay, it's established date 2032 BS. Okay, here you can see the location of the Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve and its area 176 square kilometer. Okay, and this reserve is situated in the Sunsari, Saptari and Udaipur district of Nepal. Okay, Sunsari, Saptari and Udaipur district of Nepal. And this river is surrounded by rivers. Okay, this reserve is surrounded by rivers both in east and the west. Okay, यो रिजर्भलाई बाहिरपट्टिबाट के छ सबै रिभरहरूले सराउन्ड गरेर राखेको छ इस्टर्न रिजनमा वेस्टर्न रिजनमा सबै भागमा. Okay, Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, and this reserve is mainly established for the conservation, okay, management of wild buffalo. Okay, wild buffalo, and its main objective is to conserve and to increase the number of arna, जसलाई हामी जङ्गली भैँसी भनेर भन्छौँ. Okay, arna, which is taken as the rare animals in Nepal. Rare animal means those animals which are found only in the particular place, okay, and which are going to extinct, which are very few in number, especially are known as the rare animal. Rare animal भनेको कुनै ठाउँमा मात्रै पाउने र जसको नम्बर पनि थोरै छ. For example, wild buffalo, arna, okay, which is taken as the rare animal in Nepal. Forest of Sisau and Khair is found in this reserve. Okay, we know Suklafata Wildlife Reserve is mainly established for the conservation of the Barasinge swamp deer. Likewise, Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve is mainly established for the conservation of, okay, arna. Okay, and this river is the main living place of different wildlife and like wild boar, laguna, alligator, dolphin. Okay, and internally migrated birds are found in this wildlife reserve. Okay, in this wildlife reserve. Okay, dear students, here you can see arna. Okay, this is the main feature of Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. Okay, and here you can see the location of the Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. Okay, location of Parsa Wildlife Reserve, location of Suklafata Wildlife Reserve. Okay, Suklafata Wildlife Reserve in the far western region of Nepal, Parsa Wildlife Reserve, okay, in the central region, and Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve in the eastern region of Nepal. And these all three wildlife reserves are located in the Tarai region of Nepal. Okay, in this class we discussed about two wildlife reserves, that is Suklafata Wildlife Reserve and Kosi Tapu Wildlife Reserve. Okay, dear students, in the next class I will discuss about Parsa Wildlife Reserve. Okay, and one hunting reserve of the Nepal, that is Dhorpatan hunting reserve. अर्को क्लासमा हामी पर्सा वाइल्डलाइफ रिजर्भ र ढोरपाटन हन्टिङ रिजर्भ बारेमा हामी पढ्नेछौँ. Okay, my dear students, only this much for today, and I will come with next video tomorrow. My dear students, thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.